I guess it's just exciting to see all the new solutions that these fintechs are solving, especially in the digital asset space, where we've grown that ecosystem quite a lot this year, providing the way for banks to actually transition from Web 2 to Web 3.
Let's kind of go back to yourself. Obviously from Australia. What is it about the Sandbox element at NayaOne and really the whole fintech landscape? What is it about that appeals to you on a personal level?
So, having worked in the bank, trying to work with fintech companies, it's where we learnt that that's really hard for all organizations, all regulated institutions and large corporates to work with small companies. And having worked with small companies for most of my life and then worked in banks, it's really challenging. And we worked with many small companies in the bank, and on one particular situation we saw them die because of how difficult it was to actually work with us. We called them back and we said, hey, we're good to go, we really like your solution. They said, we've run out of money. I've taken another job. Like, we just couldn't do it. And while it was a good solution, there was motivated buyers inside, it just couldn't happen. And that's what we're solving through the Fintech as a service.
Oh, well, I get that. What about yourself, though?
Yeah, so what motivates me? Well, it's that you have founders who are super passionate about what they do, and they want to solve problems. But it's a huge, I mean, they're the underdogs in the whole thing. And everyone loves a good underdog and making an even playing field for for the market. And we just want to help founders grow and grow their businesses. And for me, what really excites me is giving them that platforms for them to grow and making their first sale, helping them scale their solutions that are doing real good for, or changing the banks and changing how the banks are set up and what they do. So I want to see the banks transform to be and actually work a lot better with for their end customers.
I like that. I was looking at your booth here at Cyborg, and you had all of the kind of companies that you're working with. People that we know well, like Infuse and Miniga, as an example. What are some of the kind of companies that you're working with, and who are some of your favourites?
So we've got over 150 companies on the marketplace, and across about 15 different industries. And it ranges everywhere from Stripe and Klarna all the way down to some smaller Series A, Series B companies. And I think, I guess it's just exciting to see all the new solutions that these fintechs are solving, especially in the digital asset space, where we've grown that ecosystem quite a lot this year, providing the way for banks to actually transition from Web 2 to Web 3. There are a heap of fintechs that we work with.
What's Web 3, Andrew?
Web 3 is where the consumer take control.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Smash that one. Learning.
I like that.